Cool, interesting one today. This is a first floor flat, 70s build, ground floor flat, had damp problems. They've had injected damp proof courses, cavity wall insulation taken out, put back in, everything's been done, everyone's looked at it and failed to follow the basics. The flat above got this massive long duct, uninsulated for the bathroom extraction fan. It never met the 15 litres per second rates anyway. What's happening is, every year it fills with condensation. And as you could imagine, this hasn't even been connected to the outside. It runs actually into the cavity. So every time it gets to tipping point, it all just runs down. If you put your hand in the wall, you could feel it soaking. It's not going to be rising damp if it's that wet. It's got to be excess water from a leak or something.
You could hear all that. Yeah, it's crazy.
So if you've got damp problems, make sure you get a proper invasive survey. None of this non-invasive nonsense. And make sure they follow the basics. All of this sort of stuff an averagely competent surveyor should pick up first time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon on the next one.